Cleanse face and pat dry. Apply soothing gel generously to treatment areas. Press power button for 2 seconds to activate LCD display. After setting the auto mode, automatically check the skin condition and proceed with customized skincare. After setting the lifting mode, proceed with elastic care for 3 minutes. Move the device as if you're pulling it up from the bottom. After setting the water mode, proceed with moisturizing care for 3 minutes. Move the device as if you're pulling it up from the bottom. After setting the tone-up mode, proceed with vital care for 3 minutes. Rub the forehead, cheeks, and chin in a circle.